Good day, everyone. Welcome to our new YouTube channel. And dahil bagong taon, we decided to kick things off with a property tour of one of our exciting new projects. By the way, I'm Benji of Birthday Realty Services. And today, samahan nyo kami as we visit a high-end subdivision located just around 3 kilometers away from SM Dasmariñas. So, right now, we're going to GMA Cavite, pero dun lang po yung papunta, pero hindi po tayo pupunta ng GMA. And when we're here right now at Governor's Drive, isa po ito sa mga malalaking road o daan dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Kung makita nyo po, mapakaganda po ng daan natin going to the property. Okay, so mamaya makita na po natin yung Island Park. And the name of the subdivision is actually Caribe, the Island Park. And just to give you a quick background, this subdivision is developed by the Villar Group under Brittany Corporation. And as we all know, kapag Brittany ang developer, this represent the high-end residential developments of the Villar Group. So, sigurado pong maganda talaga ang location. And to give you an idea about the price range here starts at 10,855 to up to 13,854. And the lot size range starts at 254 square meter up to 737 square meter. And 65 lots only ang available lang po dito sa Caribe Subdivision, located at Phase 2A, Phase 2B, and Ibiza Phase 1. So, ito na po, papasok na po tayo ng subdivision and makikita na po natin kung gaano po kaganda ang subdivision na ito. At hindi lang subdivision ang maganda, pati ang terms of payment din. Meron tayong cash payment terms na may 10% discount. We also have deferred payment which is up to 24 months. And ito pa ang pinakamaganda. We also have 10% down payment which is payable up to 24 months for the first buyers only. Then after that, 12 months na lang. And the 90% balance is payable through bank financing. So, yun. Ano pa masasabi natin, di ba? Sobrang ganda ng terms sa isang high-end subdivision dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, makikita natin ngayon, nandito na po tayo sa Phase 2B. Ito po yung isa sa pinakamaraming available na property na maganda rin po ang mga location. May corner lot pa po dito, alam ko. So, paunahan na lang po tayo dahil marami na rin pong nag-i-inquire sa amin dito. And to other details like schedule of viewing, inventories, and pricing, we will leave our contact numbers below. So right now, nandito na po tayo sa Phase 2A. Ayan, napakagandang Phase 2A. Malinis, mapuno. Ayan po. And ayan na po, lalabas na po tayo ng gate to check other access road going to the Anghari and MCX. Ayan po. Ayan yung isang phase ng Caribe, the island, which is wala po tayong available properties dyan. Yan naman po yung Crown Asia na Amalfi subdivision. Kasi inside the Island Park, they have other subdivision like Amalfi, La Meseta, and Camellia Homes. So, yan. And to give you other information, magkakaroon daw po dyan ng Vista Mall. Ayan na po, nandiyan na po tayo sa Molino Paliparan Road. Mamaya po makikita natin yung access road na sinasabi ko sa inyo, which is yung Villar City. Yan. Yan po, yun yung sa right side, yung pinakabago po, yung wala pa pong dumadaan. Diyan po yung Villar City. Access road going to MCX and Daang Hari. So, yan. Papunta naman po tayo sa pabalik na tayo going to Ibiza Phase 1 naman ang bibisitahin natin. Yan. Yan siya nga pala, dun sa mga sales agents na gusto maging part of our sales team. Welcome po kayo. Just contact us directly din po para matulungan at ma-assist din po namin kayo sa process kung paano po kayo maging seller ng Berdea Realty. So, yan. Tutulungan po namin kayo sa mga proseso. Huwag po kayong mahihiya o matatakot pumontak sa amin. Kami po bahalang mag-guide sa inyo. So, yan. Diyan po sa part na yan na nakikita nyo, dun daw po ilalagay ang Vista Mall according sa management ng Brittany na aming nabalitaan. Before pa po yun, hindi po namin alam kung kailan po nila gagawin o kailan o itutuloy pa ba. Basta yun po yung aming last na nabalitaan. So right now, we're here at Ibiza, which is isa din pong napakagandang place ng Caribe, the Island Park. And actually, wala pa pong mga nakatayong bahay dito dahil po most of the buyers here in this area, they just bought the property and hindi na po natayuan ng bahay. Nag-invest lang po sila. Tapos yung mga property na ibebenta po natin dito ay nabili pa before and ngayon po ay they decided to sell it. So yan po. Makikita po natin na maayos na naman po ang subdivision kahit wala pong nakatira. And well-maintained naman din po siya ng management. Kaya kung sino man yung unang titira dito ay solo nyo po. Pero definitely, marami naman pong susunod sa inyong magpapatayo ng bahay dito dahil peaceful and beautiful naman po talaga ang subdivision na to. So, kanina po, nadaanan natin yung St. Paul. So, it just show na may malapit pong school dito sa Caribe Subdivision. So, once again po, hopefully, nagustuhan po natin ang ating property tour. And once again, this is Benji from Berdea Realty Services. See you on our next property tour.